Are you looking for the badminton rackets? In this video we will look at some of the 6 badminton rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Yonex Astrox 99 Play G5 Strung Badminton Racket. The Yonex Astrox 99 Play G5 Strung Badminton Racket is a game-changer for any badminton enthusiast. Designed with precision and style, this racket is sure to take your game to new heights. With its 4U weight, it provides the perfect balance of power and maneuverability, allowing you to unleash your full potential on the court. The grip size of G5 ensures a comfortable and secure hold, giving you complete control over your shots. The sleek white tiger color adds a touch of elegance to your game, while the carbon graphite frame and shaft offer optimal flex for smooth and powerful swings. This racket is truly a masterpiece crafted by Yonex, a renowned brand in the world of badminton. So, if you're looking to elevate your performance and dominate the court, the Yonex Astrox 99 Play G5 Strung Badminton Racket is the perfect choice for you. Step onto the court with confidence and let this racket be your weapon of choice. Number 2. Senston Badminton Racket Set of 2. Are you ready to take your badminton game to the next level? Look no further than the Senston Badminton Racket Set of 2. This complete set has everything you need to get started and enjoy hours of fun with your family and friends. The set includes 2 high-quality badminton rackets, 2 nylon shuttlecocks, 2 random color grips, and a convenient carrying bag. The rackets are made with a carbon alloy frame and graphite shaft, making them lightweight yet incredibly durable. With a one-piece design and built-in T-joint, these rackets offer improved stability and high-precision control performance. Whether you're a beginner or a more advanced player, this set is perfect for you. And if you ever have any issues, the Senston team is always there to help. So don't wait, grab a friend, grab this set, and let the games begin. Number 3. Yonex Smash Badminton Racket G4, 73 grams, 28 pounds tension. The Yonex Smash Badminton Racket is the perfect option for intermediate players looking to enhance their game. With a weight of just 73 grams and a tension of 28 pounds, this racket offers great control and maneuverability. The rotational generator system ensures maximum control by distributing the weight throughout the grip end, frame top, and joint. This allows you to smoothly transition to the next shot with ease. With its nanomesh Neo technology, this racket is lighter, stronger, and more flexible, and it comes with an increased shaft flex to maximize power and control. The ARO Plus box frame combines a solid hitting feel with quick swing control, giving you the best of both worlds. The control support CAP provides a wider flat surface for easier gripping, fast follow-through, and sharp maneuverability. The isometric design generates a larger sweet spot, providing greater control without sacrificing power. Overall, the Yonex Smash Badminton Racket is a top choice for intermediate players who want to take their game to the next level. Number 4. Yonex GR303 Combo Badminton Racket with Full Cover, Set of 2, Black. The Yonex GR303 Combo Badminton Racket with Full Cover is the perfect set for any intermediate player looking to up their game. With a grip size of 3.5 inches and a weight of 95 to 99.9 grams, this racket offers a comfortable and lightweight feel in your hands. The black color adds a touch of sleekness to your play, while the isometric head shape ensures a larger sweet spot for improved shots. This set includes 2 badminton rackets with head covers, giving you everything you need to hit the court with a friend or partner. The rackets are made from a durable blend of materials, ensuring long-lasting performance even with regular use. Whether you're playing a casual game with friends or competing in a tournament, the Yonex GR303 Combo Badminton Racket with Full Cover is a reliable and high-quality choice that will take your game to the next level. Number 5. Yonex Graphite Badminton Racket. The Yonex Graphite Badminton Racket, Muscle Power 22 LT Black Blue is a top contender for the second spot in our list of badminton rackets due to its impressive performance and design. Made with graphite, this intermediate-level racket offers excellent control and power on the court. Weighing just 86.0 grams, it is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for players who prefer a balanced and responsive racket. When it comes to finding the perfect badminton racket, the Yonex Graphite Badminton Racket, Muscle Power 22 LT Black Blue is an excellent choice. With its graphite construction, this racket provides a perfect blend of flexibility and durability. Whether you are a seasoned player or just starting out, you will appreciate the control and power this racket offers. Its lightweight design allows for swift and accurate shots, while the black and blue color combination adds a stylish touch to your game. So equip yourself with this superb racket and get ready to dominate the badminton court like never before. Number 6. Yonex Nano Ray 10F High-Flex Pre-Strung Badminton Racket. We chose to include the Yonex Nano Ray 10F High-Flex Pre-Strung Badminton Racket as the first product on our list because of its outstanding performance and durability. This racket is designed for players who seek more power in their shots and are looking to improve their overall game. When you pick up the Yonex Nano Ray 10F, you'll immediately notice its lightweight yet sturdy frame made of graphite. This material ensures both excellent control and power in your shots, allowing you to dominate the court. The high-flex technology incorporated into the racket's construction provides increased repulsion and speed, giving you an advantage over your opponents. Plus, with its pre-strung design, the hassle of stringing the racket yourself is eliminated, saving you time and effort. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, the Yonex Nano Ray 10F is a top-notch choice that will take your badminton game to new heights.